April is National Child Abuse Prevention Month, and this morning the community gathered in front of the state capitol to spread awareness. It was an event filled with personal stories and a positive outlook. Nate Salazar was there. He's here for you now with what attendees had to say. Nate?
Well, that's exactly right, Sherry. Today's theme was building together, prevention in partnership. Officials tell me stopping child abuse is a collaborative effort, and events like the rally this morning are not only meant to spread the word, but celebrate how far we've come.
Prevention is possible and that children deserve that safe, happy, and healthy childhood.
Suzanne Greenberg is with Children Trust Michigan, an organization whose primary goal is to prevent any child from becoming another statistic of abuse. The month of April has been filled with events to strengthen families and educate the public about child abuse prevention strategies and services. Today at the Capitol, the message was the same.
We are going to be honoring the fact that child abuse prevention is possible and that we have 100 partners across all 83 counties that are working in their communities with children and families, because preventing child abuse is possible and is happening.
Parents had the chance to share their personal experiences at a podium, followed by comments from Secretary of State Jocelyn Benson and Attorney General Dana Nessel.
There should be no limit to the work that we do to try to uncover the abuse, and when we do, to try to heal those who have suffered.
Officials tell me the blue and white pinwheels in everyone's hands symbolize the innocence of childhood. And if you drive in front of the Capitol, you'll see a garden of them, in hopes they'll push more people to learn about their cause.
Some of the programs I was able to take advantage of in the last 5 years with my son, it helped us a tremendous amount when we needed to fill in some of those gaps. If other people don't know, we can try to help guide them to that place.
Well, for more information about preventing child abuse or for activities that you can do with your children, visit the group's website. That link can be found on our Scene on 6 section at WLNS.com.